Hello everyone, and today we're gonna talk about market capitalization. I'm always talk about market capitalization, but what is it? The market capitalization, or the market cap, calculated by multiplying a company's shares outstanding by the current market price of one shares. For Microsoft it will be 136.99 multiplied to outstanding shares, 7 billions 602 millions of shares. We can check it. $7 billion of outstanding shares multiplied to 136.99. It is $1 trillion. First of all, you have to know that it is not measure the equity, because Microsoft has market capitalization $1 trillion, but the equity is only 82 billions. And we can check it on Walmart. Here's a Walmart market capitalization 320 billions. We can check the equity in 10K form. They have only 72 billions. And the American Tower Corporation, they have 93 billions in market capitalization, and it is a REIT company. And in the real world, I think market capitalization have to be comparable with equity, but AMT has only $6 billion in equity. Market capitalization means only how much the market is willing to pay for its shares, not the equity. But if you will find some stocks that looks very nice and the market capitalization is like 100 billions and they have 300 billions of equity, I think it can be a really nice buy. If you have your own opinion, please leave a comment below, push subscribe button and like button. See you later, bye bye.